everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. So these wonderful folks at the company Alexis recently contacted me and they said, we have a new collection of 16 Chameleon Mica powders. How would you like to test these out in a video? And I said, I would love to test them out in a video. So they kindly sent them to me. And that's what we're going to do today. I have already opened the box because I wanted to take all the seals off the jars so that wouldn't require a ton of editing later. So everything is open, but not used. They include a nice little explanation of how some of these look fuller than others, but that's because some are denser than others and it's all by weight, so don't be disturbed by that. And that's fine. Okay, so I have a tumbler, and onto the tumbler I painted 2 layers of Tack It Over and Over from Aleene's. It is a tacky glue so that when it dries, it's still sticky. I mixed that with some water, spread it on with a makeup brush. It is ready now to receive our mica powders. So real quickly, we have Spicy Cocktail, Cobalt Violet, Living Earth, Galaxy Purple, Ocean Amethyst, Interference Blue, Forest King, Magnolia Sunset, Carmine Red, Haldy Brown, Mermaid's Eyes, Peacock Blue, Merry Dancers, Chocolate Plum, Snow Queen, and Lilac Navy. So those are the 16 colors we're going to be working with, and I'm going to swatch them on our 30-ounce skinny tumbler here. I'm going to try. Here we go. Now, let's just fill in this last one, last couple. That is gorgeous. So I'm going to seal this now with some Rust-Oleum 2X clear spray, probably matte. That's what I think I have on hand right now. And I will bring you back for the resin. So stay tuned. And we're back. All right, this looks beautiful, although it's dulled it quite a bit because I use matte clear spray. Just a reminder that this is all 16 of the Chameleon Micas in this box on this tumbler. Once I put the resin on it and it sets up and all that, I will take it outside in the sun and give you a view of it shifting back and forth. I'm going to use my Mr. Nola's Glitters Glass Coat Epoxy, not for any particular reason except I'm coming to the end of the bottle and I want to use it up before too much longer. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to put it on, sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, we are outside. We do not have a beautiful sunny day today, but I think I do this enough. You can see, pick one spot and watch it shift. Hopefully, like this blue up here at the top where next to my, yeah, it goes to purple. If I do that, I think that's the navy lilac or lilac navy. But these do shift. See that? Okay, so now this one here is green. But when I do this, it turns kind of a gold. red. Hopefully you can see this. I can see it on the camera, so I'm hoping you can see it when you watch the tape. And there's that purple that goes kind of golden here. It's a beautiful cup. There's no doubt about it. Now we have to figure out what to put on it. That's stumping me already, but that's not unusual. This is where I usually fail miserably to come up with a good idea. So stay tuned. Okay, I've decided that instead of putting a decal in this, I'm going to get out my fishnet stocking. And I am going to put one of these onto this cup. I'll start by cutting it off the rest of the hose. I'm going to take this leg of the fishnet stocking in this particular design, and I'm going to put it toe up on the cup. There we go. Now I want the lines to be straight. I don't want to pull this so tight that it deforms the design. Try and be as straight as possible here. Now I want to make the little man bun up here with a rubber band. In focus. Basically, you just want to get the little toe bit out of the way. Okay, and now I'm going to take it outside, and yeah, I'll bring you along. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. Let's see what happened. That is so pretty. I actually like that a lot. It could be straighter. I tried. I think it's really pretty. Okay, what am I going to do with it now? I could just leave it like this. You know what? I think I'm going to leave it. I have looked through all sorts of graphics, and I can't find anything that works for me. So I'm going to put resin on it, and the next time you see it, we'll be out in the sunshine.